A dedicated built-in dessert station transforms party logistics and makes hosting sweet-centered family celebrations effortless and fun. Start by situating the station where traffic flows for easy access and cleanup, ideally adjacent to the main prep counter so you can refill toppings without crossing the room. For a built-in soft serve or ice cream, make or plan capacity for serving at least 1 pint per 10 guests, and choose a unit designed for continuous dispense to avoid tempering downtime. Include a refrigerated topping drawer with adjustable dividers so sauces, fresh fruit and cold toppings stay safe and visible. Set the drawer temperature a few degrees above freezer so sauces remain scoopable. Design cone and bowl storage in ventilated pullouts that keep dry items crisp and prevent crush damage by using vertical separators and clear fronts for quick inventory checks. Install kid height controls with a parental lock that requires a 2-step press or a keyed switch, so children can operate the dispenser safely while adults retain override control. Finish with an easy clean splashback of smooth, non-porous material and slope the counter slightly toward a discreet drain channel to catch spills and make daily cleaning 5 minutes instead of a chore. Common problems include clogging in soft-serve dispensers from high-fat mixes, which you prevent by using manufacturer-recommended mixes and running a short warm flush cycle after heavy use. Melted toppings that pool and stick, which you counter with chilled topping wells and frequent stirring during long events. And kids overfilling cones or making cross-contamination mistakes, which you reduce by providing pre-measured single-serve topping cups and clear visual cues for allergens. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners planning kitchen build-outs with local contractors and with other homeowners sharing real-world tips. Our community discussion boards let us exchange installation advice, supplier recommendations, and layout photos so we all learn from each other.